Joe, why $1,000 in one?
To be honest, it was just where the numbers led me. I have a target based on next year's EBITDA number, and I brought it back, and that's where I ended up. So there's no particular significance to it.
Yeah, just curious. So what is it in particular that you think accounts for Tesla's rebound off the lows? Because this is not as straightforward a story as kind of the shutdown and reopening of the economy, although that's definitely a part.
Well, yeah, obviously this market is part of it. But what's remarkable to me, here we are, it's halfway through 2020. Who else has electric vehicles that can compete with Tesla? And the answer is really nobody. You know, Volkswagen maybe is starting, but this company is so far ahead of the competition and is going to get even further ahead with the Model Y. And I just think the market's beginning to figure that out.
You know, Tim, I'm looking up Nikola, the stock that now comes up on everybody's screens as one of the top Robinhood stocks and so on and so forth. How much of the Tesla trade right now is still momentum driven by retail investors, maybe even a halo effect from the great SpaceX launch the other day?
Well, it seems like a lot, right? I mean, if you're thinking the future of cars is going to be electric, then the prices we're seeing right now would suggest that you think that Tesla is going to dominate that future. And that's what we've seen over the last few months. And Elon Musk's success with SpaceX in some ways gives investors confidence in the thing that he has lacked in the last few years, and that is execution. So watching him execute in the last few months really has increased enthusiasm.
What do you think, Joe, of the Nikola effect? Have you been watching that one?
Oh, very much so. What's interesting is that company has the possibility to do in commercial transportation what Tesla has done in passenger vehicles, and all credit due to Tesla. Let's face it, the truck is late. And so what Nikola's talking about, first in electric vehicles, then actually hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, is upending that commercial transportation market. Early days, they haven't shipped anything yet, but it's a pretty neat piece of technology they have.
Yeah.